Today we're going to look at how you can optimize your bidding by demographics, meaning that we can put our bids up or down. Today we're going to look at how you can optimize your bids by demographics, meaning you can put your bids up or down by age and gender, depending on how likely or unlikely they are to convert. So from within the main menu, click on Demographics and then look one by one at the Age tab, Gender tab and the Household Income tab. For many countries, household income won't work. If you're in the US, most likely it will. However, in the UK, nothing is shown in this banding, as you can see. It just says unknown. What you want to do is select the time frame and then look one by one at the different age bands, pick a campaign so that you can see it in more specific detail, and look for age bands where they are more or less likely to convert. If they're more likely to convert, put the bid up. If they're less likely to convert, for example, you can see here, one conversion, £75, conversion rate of only 14%. Whereas here the conversion rate is higher, 42%. In this example, I would decrease it and I would pick a number around about 10% or 20%. You can then also do the same for gender. Now, it doesn't always have the information about the person. If they're logged in incognito, for example, then it will put unknown. So you can edit it for the unknowns, put it up and down for male, female, and do this for each of your campaigns, and that will improve your results as long as you have sufficient conversion data in your account. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.